Well, when we hear essential workers, many think nurses, grocery store employees, but they may not think of zookeepers. Austin Schick tells us how zookeepers in central Illinois are still going about their business. Austin.
Well, yeah, Matt, the weather is warming up and many people might have been out at the zoo, but due to COVID-19, no one's at the Peoria Zoo or Wildlife Prairie Park for that matter. The animals have the parks all to themselves and a few employees whom are essential to the animals' well-being. In the wild, most animals fend for themselves, but in captivity, they rely on caregivers.
Without us coming and feeding these guys, they wouldn't survive.
Zookeepers at the Peoria Zoo come in every day to feed and interact with the animals.
Our keepers are doing extra work to enrich them and keep them active and keep their minds busy, especially when, it's so quiet around here.
Right now, it's a lot more quiet than we are used to.
Wildlife Prairie Park in Hannah City is normally filled with hundreds of kids on field trips, but now it's just them and the animals.
They don't know this is going on, and it might actually stress them out quite a bit if we change things up completely. So just keeping them on a schedule is important.
The zookeepers are taking extra precautions when feeding certain animals such as primates.
The monkeys are one of those species that has a higher susceptibility of getting the virus from us. So one of the things that we've implemented is our keepers now wear masks and gloves when they're servicing the primate groups.
Employees say they are being more diligent when cleaning.
We are definitely sanitizing everything quite a bit more than we normally did. Now we're wiping down services, doorknobs at the end of every day.
Both those parks will remain closed to the public until the COVID-19 pandemic dies down. Now both places say they try to remain socially distant from one another while taking care of those animals, and they hope to reopen as soon as they can, but of course they won't until they are given the all clear.